What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lyon Mack TV. Mack here with another exciting, delight, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from Kentallest. Yes, Kentallest, who is a relative to Emoney and KC, and yes, he got married somewhere last year, and ever since then he got married in Norway. Actually, yes, he got married to the wife in Norway. She's from Norway, and I never knew there's this rich Igbo culture in Norway as well. Like, this is the first time I'm really seeing a very wonderful, unique and rich Igbo culture in Norway, and that is exactly where he did the anniversary. The entire highlight from their anniversary ceremony is what I'll be bringing to you here in this video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget that Igbo amaka and Nwanne Chubego Maka ego dimma. Look for money in the right way, not the wrong way.